Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying Cardi B's famous hair mask. As you can see, my hair is very crusty and I'm going to let you guys know if it's worth it or not. And yeah, let's get into the video. So first I'm going to start by washing my hair and then we're going to get started into the hair mask. So to make this mask you need avocado, mayonnaise, olive oil, an egg, argan oil, castor oil, banana and honey. But because I have a mixture of oil, of argan oil, castor oil, olive oil and coconut oil, I just used that instead. And I did use one of each, so one banana, one avocado and one egg. So I didn't measure anything and I just added all the ingredients into the blender. And make sure it's not a blender that you do use it for like food or cooking. I just used a spare blender that we have in the house. So this is my hair freshly washed, detangled, and this is the mask here. I put it into a bowl and I'm just going to use this to apply the hair mask. So to apply this mask, I began by splitting my hair in half. Parting my hair in half, and I clipped one half away just so I could focus on each half much better, yeah. So as you can see here, I did begin by using an applicator, but because I just thought it was just too much trouble, I just used my hands instead. As the mask isn't too runny, it is better to use it with your hands and just massage it into your hair properly and make sure everything's coated. So I would recommend using your hands instead of an applicator like I did in the beginning. So then on the other side, I just repeated the same thing that I'd done in the first half to my hair, and I did use my hand throughout instead of an applicator. So once my hair is fully covered, I just unclipped my hair and massaged my scalp with the hair mask, and I did add extra of the mask just to make sure everything's fully coated. So I would recommend to use one of these to cover your hair, or a plastic bag. So I've just taken off this and I've left it for about, I'll say 30 minutes. So I'm just going to rinse it off and condition my hair as usual, and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so I've just rinsed out my hair, and I think this is actually the best hair mask I've ever tried on my hair. And I'm not a hair mask type of person. I don't do hair masks, especially when it comes to hair masks that have food. I don't try it. But this one, it's left my hair, my hair just feels stronger. It feels moisturized, and it just feels very soft and silky. So I'll definitely recommend to try this hair mask, especially if you have the ingredients just sitting around in your cupboard. Give it a go and you won't regret it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below your go-to hair mask, or what hair mask would you like to try. So in the comments down below what type of content you want to see me do next. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.